Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be decorating the hearth room. This room is right off the kitchen. Kitchen is here from the back door. And, wobbly. Okay, we're gonna be decorating this room. I bought a couple of pieces off Facebook Marketplace, this table here that has been stained, and I have two side tables. They're matching side tables that have been painted as well. They were this cherry wood color. And just the other day, my husband and I purchased and picked up this table from a lady off Facebook Marketplace. I painted the legs the same color that I stained the coffee table and side tables. And I just stained the top a clear coat with a little bit of that brown in there, so it gave it like a darker color. I like how it turned out. We're gonna decorate this room. I went to Hobby Lobby the other day. Those bags back there. So let's get to it. Before decorating, I like to clean. So I have my kids here and we're gonna get to cleaning. If you're new here, please subscribe. I am a mom, a wife, I work full-time as a pharmacist, and I love posting content with me around my home, cleaning and decorating, and so much more. So, again, do not forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Alright, so the floors have been cleaned, they have been shined, baseboards clean, curtains are up. Now I'm gonna go get the rug. I purchased this rug from Home Depot online, homedepot.com. And I like buying rugs from homedepot.com because you can get very large rugs for reasonable prices and the quality is great. So this is a 9 by 12 rug and I spent a little over $200. You can't beat that. So I purchased this because I like the dark brown rim. It goes with the table and then the dark brown knob. It brings that contrast. I have light walls. I bought two. And behind me, I bought stems. As you can see, blue is my color. Some stems. 40% off. These were on clearance. They were reduced even further. I got a lot of these. A little bush. Huge bags. I got rugs for the bathroom. I am back at it. I'm going to finish decorating the hearth room and let's get to it. So this is how the room looks now. Let me show you that. The lamps, the curtains, the rug, and the tables that I painted. And I also have this table here that has been painted with all the decor items that I'm going to use. So let's get started. First I'm going to add these pillowcases to my couch. I bought these this set for $1. There's this store we have in town where you can go on certain days and everything is that price. It's Amazon returns and they just try to sell them cheap. So sometimes I go on Dollar Day and this is one of the items that I purchased. So add that to the couch. I have this pillowcase here. I got it the same place. I have two. I can't find the other one. Not worried about it. I need some cushion. My son ripped a teddy bear and I used some of that cushion to put in here. I'm gonna go see if I can find something else to stuff this with and throw it on the couch. here is the final product. Thank you so much for watching. Does this look French country to you?